Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of November 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Let's start. So I'm not a medical practitioner, I'm not a career counselor, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just checking in the energies based on your current energy. And this is not a fixed in stone kind of reading. This is just a energy check-in. Okay, cool. So take help from people if you feel like. Okay, don't just rely on tarot readings. Hmm. Let's see, Cappies, for your health, what we have for this month. My stupid heart, don't know. I tried to let you go so many times before, then wound up at your door. My stupid heart. Emperor. So you guys have to take the charge of your health in your own hands, Capricorn. If you guys are going to be loose, if you guys are going to be like, okay, I'll think about it, I'll do it afterwards. If you're not going to take care of your health, especially if you're having some kind of ongoing issues, you have to control the urges, you have to control your health problems. Otherwise they are going to be out of control and out of hands, and there will be troublesome energies around your health for sure. If not taken care of, if you're not going to be in control, if you're not going to be the in charge, things are going to go out of hands when it comes to your health thing. So beware of this. Let's see the guidance here, honey. We have the Ten of Pentacles. See, if you are just running behind money, job, career, finances, taking care of everyone but you, then you are not doing any favor to anyone. You are just ruining your own health, you are just ruining your own life, Capricorn. Even if you are one of those people who live for others only, you have to take care of yourself first. Only then you will be able to help others and do good for others, right? So start with yourself, and then let it come out from you naturally and organically for others also. First and foremost thing. Second thing, if you're continuously feeling adding more money in your bucket, adding more money in your life is going to bring you health naturally, good health naturally, it's not happening, my love. You guys have to still wake up and do your thing and take care of your health. Bringing in a lot of money is not going to naturally heal everything. Trust me, it never does. I'm earning enough, but my health suffers a lot from time to time. Okay, when I stop caring about my health, it goes down. And whenever I like start caring and doing whatever it takes from my side to keep myself healthy, it goes up. There's nothing that only money can do about it, right? So I know Capricorn people are almost very money minded people, not in a negative way, but they're always very focused on job, career, finances, and stability, and that's a good thing. But do not ignore your health, and only money cannot give you a good health. Please keep that in mind. Health and money are not interrelated. Okay, health is the most important wealth that all of us should have. Otherwise, nothing makes us happy or sense. There's nothing that makes sense. Let's see what we have. For those of you who are working for others or doing job, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Page of Wands. It's like you guys are going to feel, sorry, you guys are going to feel excited. You guys are going to be given a new responsibility, a new project. For some of you, it's a new job offer. Whatever it is, it's a new energy, and it's a new energy of excitement and feeling like this is something that you really want to do. Excitement, happiness, and this energy of let's do it is going to be there for you guys. And you guys are going to feel like, okay, let's do something fresh, let's do something new. For some of you, it's traveling involved. For some of you, it's a brand new project, a brand new offer. For some of you, it's a new job offer. Whatever it is, it's going to make you feel excited and happy, and you are going to feel like a child doing something in a very beautiful, happy-go-lucky energy. Okay, good. It's good. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Ten of Swords. Whatever happened, happened, Capricorn. Do not cry over spilled milk. Something happened maybe, who knows, 10 years ago, and you're still struggling with that ending, that betrayal that somebody did with you, or something happened at some point of time that gave you this energy of the universe did injustice with you. So it's the start or restart of something brand new in your life, because at some point of time there was a brutal ending, and you're still suffering, you're still going through that, you're still in pain because of that. You're still not able to trust that everything is going to be fine when it comes to your job or career thing. It is going to be fine until unless you're not going to feel like you deserve good energy, you deserve good life. You will not be able to grab those opportunities that's actually good for you. You guys have to work on your mindset. Hmm? Because of some incidents or series of incidences, you still feel that you will not be able to make it in your career. You will be, but you have to change your attitude and your mindset. That's something that happened at some point of time. It's not there anymore. The worst is over, honey, trust me. Hmm. Cappies, let's see for those of you who are having their own business or who are self-employed, how it is going to be for you guys for this month. Eight of Cups. You guys are doing something here regarding your career thing. You are detaching, you are letting go of a business thing, or the idea of doing something that you were very connected to at some point of time. Now you are feeling this is not matching with your vibrations or energies anymore, or you are feeling like the business thing or the employment thing, the self-employment thing is not making you feel like good the way you were anticipating it to be. Maybe your staff is leaving, maybe some kind of issues are happening in your business thing and you're not able to ignore them anymore. So at least for the time being, you are like, I should try something new, I should go ahead with someone new or something new, like regarding your business thing, self-employment thing, and you're detaching from the idea of doing whatever you used to do or whatever you are planning to do. For the time being, you're taking a break or pause, or you're trying to let go. Hmm. Not the whole business thing maybe, but something that's bothering you, and you're taking a break or a pause for some time. Let's see the guidance here. The World card. There is a completion of a cycle, a karmic cycle that you guys are ending here. From this point onwards, there are very good and beautiful energies of starting from the start, but moving to the next chapter with this understanding of whatever happened, happened. You cannot change the past. Whatever happened, you cannot, nobody on this earth or beyond that can change whatever happened. But from this point onwards, we can start with a brand new energy, with this mindset that this was supposed to happen exactly the way it happened, and now we have a new mindset, new energy, new day, new life. Now we can start from the start. Something happened here. Ten of Swords, the World card. In your career is something very bad happened at some point of time, and you guys are still suffering from the consequences, and you're trying your best to start all over again. Trust me, the worst is over. From this point onwards, you can make this the most positive part of your life. But you have to have that mindset and energy, and it's going to take you time. It's not going to happen overnight. But with consistency and discipline, this will happen at some point of time, if you're not going to allow these negative experiences to stop you from moving towards your goals. I'm sorry to hear that. It's very difficult phase. I'm sorry, Capricorn, that you guys are going through this. Let's say for job seekers or business seekers, like new job opportunities or new business opportunities, whether it's a total fresher energy or start restarting something. Let's see. Or second options. Let's see. King of Pentacles. You guys are going to get a very good opportunity where you will be able to have a chance or opportunity that have the potential to become something really meaningful and big in the coming future. right now the opportunity might not be that much big, or it is not going to show you a huge potential, but you guys will be able to figure it out that if taken care of, if properly executed, this career opportunity have the potential to give you something long term. It's not going to be easy for you guys because there is a lot of blackish energy around the situation, as you can see in this card. But with some kind of obstacles or challenges going on in the background, if you guys are not going to give up on this one, this definitely have the potential to become something long term and life changing for you guys, right? So there is going to be an opportunity that is going to be quite stable for you guys. You might not be able to be very sure about the long term goal of this, but eventually you will be able to figure it out that if taken care of, if done properly, this has the potential to become something long term and life changing. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys regarding this. Death card. This is a transformation phase of your life. Nothing is going to be the same again ever in this area of your life, Capricorn, and you know it. You definitely lost something very valuable in terms of your business, job, or career. And this is the phase of your rebirth. So the universe wanted you to use your full potential in something that you're meant to do. Now when you're going to get the opportunity, it might feel like you are doing something from scratch, you're doing something totally differently. Just give me 1 second. Hmm. It might seem like you're doing something totally different. For example, you used to do a certain kind of business before also, but even if you're going to do that kind of business only, this time it's going to make you feel a totally different kind of energy, as if you never did that business ever in this lifetime, right? So this is a transformation phase, rebirth phase for your career. So okay, go slow and take it like one day at a time. Don't try to do everything at once and then getting all messed up. Okay, honey, take it slow. Let's see for your finances what we have, Cappies. Queen of Pentacles, your finances are going to stabilize. Whatever you are doing regarding your finances, small investments or long term investments or small savings, it's going to add up and it's going to make you feel quite at peace. You are going to be very sensible when it comes to your finances, and it's going to give you good results as well. You are going to feel stable, you are going to feel at peace with your finances, and you're going to feel like this is something that you can rely on. This investment, this savings of yours, it's going to make you feel grounded and mature. Awesome, this is good. Your finances are going to stabilize somehow, and whatever you're doing or planning to do is actually working out in your favor when it comes to the long term savings or financial growth plans. Let's see the guidance here. Eight of Swords. You know, you don't have to overthink continuously about the future direction of your finances. You are doing good, you're doing great. Whatever is happening from your side, whatever small investments or large ones, doesn't matter. You are doing good. Don't overthink. Don't let your mind think that you are behind someone, or you are not doing well, or you're not doing good. Maintaining a healthy relationship with finances is going to help you naturally grow them. But if you are going to continuously stressed out, continuously be in this energy of I have to do more, I have to do more, it might put a pressure on you, and you might end up having not so good energies, not so good gains the way they are happening right now, right? So don't let your mind trick you into thinking you're not doing well. You are doing well. Okay, don't worry. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you.